It was to be a video chart on ICPA, still popular out there, and I've just been waiting and waiting for this thing to bounce, and maybe it's finally here. Obviously, by me doing the video chart, it's still on my radar, and we'll see what happens. And I've had some questions on it still, so there's still people watching it and wondering what's going on. So there's plenty of interest in it, and the chart still has a chance, but it's right on the edge, and I'll show you what I mean by that. There's basically one of two things that are going to happen here, or that is currently happening before our eyes, which it is. Tomorrow and the rest of this week will basically be pretty evident in demonstrating that. So let's first just draw this line here, and we're going to call this our flagpole. So if you're familiar with technical analysis, you probably know where I'm headed with this or have an idea. And then what we have up here is, we'll just drop it down there to show a little bit better. But this is a resistance trend line, and this also is forming the top of a pattern. So here we have our flagpole again. There's our resistance, and then we have this level here, which after today's action really shows that this is apparently a level of pretty good level of support, and that comes from, if you look down here, there's quite a bit of price history with it. And then on this crazy day here, the price dropped all the way down to 0.021, although didn't quite hit it close enough. And then today the price went as low as 0.021. And this is the support, like I said, so we'll put that up there. So back to the beginning of the video when I said there's kind of two things that are happening. We're either in the middle of a very long-term bull flag pattern, and the reason I call it bull flag is because we have an increasing 50-day simple moving average, or this pattern is about to lose it, and then the pattern will no longer exist because it will be violated to the downside. So given this candle here, we have, I guess you could call that a spinning top. Not quite capitulation volume because it was lower than yesterday's, but volume is slowing down, so maybe this downwards moves over, but it is still above this key level of support. So we may just be down here at the bottom and finally getting an area here to head back upwards. I hope that's the case, because like I said, I've been doing video chart after video chart thinking that this thing is ready to bounce. So maybe this is finally the bounce time. But like I said, if this just keeps on heading down, then my guess would be the price will head all the way down to at least the 200-day simple moving average down here at 0.011, because that's basically the next level of support. So, and then with the candles down here, there is no more bull flag pattern. So that's why the next couple of days is going to be very important, because it's one of these things where is this thing going to continue in this bull flag formation or bull pennant, whatever you want to call it, or is this pattern done, and is it going to drift down here to the 200-day simple moving average? So that'll be the key thing to watch, how the price reacts around this level right here. Obviously, if you're long, you're hoping for a bounce. If you're bearish on it, then you just want to see this break down through. But that's pretty much the take. So there is still hope, but like I said, the chart's literally right on the edge of a very important area of this pattern, so we'll have to see how it plays out. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook with your newsletter, and you'll get educational pieces, trade alerts, trade ideas, and everything's free, no strings attached. So it's a good newsletter, lots of variety, no strings attached. It is all free. So we've been making some good money together on alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. Also, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about the chart. Let me know if you think this bull flag pattern is going to hold up, and just your thoughts on the company in general. One more time, this was ICPA. Thanks for listening.